In this video, you'll learn how to reorder the edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you don't like the order in how your edge panels are appearing and you want to change it to your own custom option or your own custom display, then what you're going to do is just start by navigating to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select display. And then under display, look for the option edge panels and tap on it. Next, select panels. And then from here, you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and you're going to choose reorder. You should see all the panels that you currently have added to your edge panels section. So what you're going to do in order for you to reorder them is to just drag and hold on this handle at the top of the panel and then move it to whatever position you want. And this is how you're going to reorder the edge panels to suit your preferences. Once you're done reordering the edge panels, and you're happy with the customizations that you've made, you can now just tap on the back button and then exit the settings app. Now, whenever you glance at your edge panels, you'll notice that it's been put in the exact same order that you've just set it in. So this is the first panel, and then you can go to the next one, like that, all following the exact same pattern that I had selected. And so that's how you can reorder edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.